Hi guys! So today I wanted to tell you guys some ideas I've had for how to celebrate your birthday or your graduation or any other special day that you have in the upcoming weeks, months that we have to stay inside. These are great ways to celebrate your special day without having to risk your health and be able to celebrate with your friends and family. Additionally, I'd like to say that the last idea is what I'm doing for my birthday party, which is in a few days, and I'm going to be posting a video about how that went, the exact decorations I used, and some pictures of how it all turned out. So if you want to see that video, please like this video and subscribe so you can get updated on all my new videos. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. So my first idea would be to have a virtual escape room party. Now, I don't know if any of you have actually done an escape room not virtually, but they are tons of fun, and now they are offering an online version because of quarantine. Now, the downside to this is that it is not free. It's $30 to $80 depending on how many people you have, and you can only have 1 to 6 people doing the escape room. On the upside, it is on Zoom, and let's say you do it with your family, you can all count as one person because you're on one Zoom account. So even though it says 1 to 6 people, you might be able to do it with more. My second idea would be to have a car parade. We actually did this for my cousin's birthday about 2 weeks ago, and he absolutely loved it. All you have to do for this idea is send out an email, text to all your friends saying, hey, my birthday's coming up and we've decided I want to do a car parade. And everyone can decorate their cars, dress up, put some birthday hats on, and just drive around your neighborhood screaming happy birthday to you. And it's a great simple way to enjoy your day with staying safe and having a great time. My next idea would be to have a virtual movie party. Now, this is great because Netflix has created a new way to share your screen so you can pause, unpause, and chat while watching a movie with your friends. I will link it down below so you guys can see how to do that. This is perfect and really simple, and if you have Netflix, free way to enjoy your day, especially because you can make all of your friends watch your favorite movie, and you can eat popcorn and cake and just hang out in your pajamas and chill with your friends. My next idea is to take a virtual tour. Now, when I first looked into this, it looked a little weird, and I really didn't know exactly what they meant, but they're actually super fun and I enjoy doing them a lot. I've linked a list of places that have virtual tours down below, and you can look at them. They have museums, they have amusement parks, they have aquariums, they have a bunch of stuff that you can look at and decide where you want to take a virtual tour. Now, if you go there and there's nothing you like or want to see, simple. Just go on YouTube and write Disney World tour, or I don't know, any other tour that you want to see, and I'm sure that there will be a video with that tour. Now sit down with your family or share the video with your friends, and you can all go on that tour together, and it'll be super fun, even if you can't go to the actual place. And my last idea, which is the one I will be doing for my birthday party, is I will be having a tea party with my family. Now, I know that that's a really small idea and you can't actually do it virtually with any of your friends, but I think it's going to be super duper fun. We are ordering little tiny pastries and sandwiches from a local bakery, and we are dressing up in really nice dresses and making tea and celebrating outside now that it's warm. I also bought some decorations from Amazon to really decorate the place up, and I will be showing you how that works out in about a week when we have the party. This is a super fun idea, and I'm so excited to have a quarantine birthday party, tea party. So that's all for this video. If you have any quarantine party ideas of your own, or if you've done any, please let me know down below, and I will see you all next time. Bye!